All right, guys, we're back with substitution. So to solve by substitution, first, isolate one variable. Don't care which one. Could be x on the top, could be y on the top, could be x at the bottom, y on the bottom. Don't care. Get one by itself. Then you're going to take that thing, you're going to shove it into the other one and solve for what's left. Then you pretty much repeat the steps. Let's look at one. Easier said than done. Okay. Now you could rearrange this thing and solve for x, or you could rearrange one of these, but why? It already has y equals. Use it. Don't do extra work. Be lazy. You love to do that. So I'm going to take y and stick it in here. Hey, look, y. This is y. That's y. This is y. What's an equal sign mean? Y is this thing right here. So shove it in there. So I'm going to rewrite this bottom equation. 7x plus 3. Anytime I'm plugging in something, I'm going to stick it in parentheses. Negative 5x plus 30 is what we're shoving in there. Equals 42. Solve it however the heck you want to solve it. I'm going to use my calculator. Okay. 7x plus 3 times negative 5 x plus 30 equals 42. If you don't have this calculator and you don't know how to solve this, go back and watch the video for solving basic equations. X is 6. So I get x is 6. I'm done, right? Oh, x is 6. What's my answer supposed to be? A point, an ordered pair. I need to get y. Oh, y is this, right? So y is negative 5, and I'm plugging in 6 plus 30. Use a calculator because your arithmetic's not so great. You get 0 for y. So my answer is the ordered pair, 6, 0. That's an ordered pair. It's not a number notation. Don't get them confused. You have to use context clues. We're solving a system here, not finding a domain or something. All right, let's do another one. All right, this one, not directly giving us y, x, or anything, but we can pretty easily solve for one of these variables. 6x, negative 5y, 7x, y. Okay, just a plain old y. Coefficient of 1 makes our lives a little bit easier. So I'm going to solve this bottom equation for y. I'm going to subtract 7x from both sides. I get y equals negative 7x plus 22. It'd be perfectly fine if you did 22 minus 7x. Doesn't have to be slope-intercept form. It's just how I'm writing it. So now this equation doesn't exist anymore. I got this one instead. So I need to take y and shove it in for y. This is going in there. 6x minus 5 times what y is, equals negative 28. Again, solve it. Don't care how. You can use the distributive property, combine like terms. Distributive property, combine like terms. Get your x's on the left, constants on the right, divide by the coefficient of x, and you'll get the same thing I'm going to get in my calculator right here, as long as you don't screw up. That's equal to negative 28. Shift calc equals x is 2. Thank you, Casio FX115 ES Plus. If you don't have a Casio FX115 ES Plus, I'd suggest getting one. Not a 300. All right, now I've got x. That's half my answer. Well, I already did some work over here. I can know what y equals, so I'm going to just stick it in there. Y equals negative 7 times 2 plus 22. Do the calculator, you get 8. My answer is the ordered pair. 2 8. Ordered pair, x, y. Not yx, x, y. Order matters. Okay, moving on along. All right, on this one, let's look and see. Can we find something easy to solve for? Yes, we can. Look at that. It's just an x right there, so I'm going to solve for x in that top one. Oh, no, we're solving for x? Yes, it doesn't matter. Either variable. Don't care. So I'm going to rearrange this equation right here by adding 7y to both sides. X equals 53 plus 7y. You can put 7y plus 53. I don't care. Same thing. Commutative property. So we don't have this anymore. We got that. So we're going to take what x is and shove it in for x right here. See, there's x, that's x. Shove it in. Boom. -4 times this thing. 53 plus 7y minus 5y equals 19. Again, distributive property, combined like terms, whatever the heck you want to do. For time's sake on this stuff, I'm just going to use the calculator. But remember, whenever you're solving with the calculator, you must use x as your variable. If only that confuse you whenever you write your answer down. We'll put 7x, even though it's y we're solving for, minus 5x again, equals 19. Shift calc equals -7. So x is -7, but in this case, that's our y. Pay attention. -7. I already have x solved for. Use it. X equals 53 plus 7 times -7. Use your calculator, you get 4. So my answer is 4 -7. Boom, done. Moving on along. Yeah, this last one. Okay. So now on this one, I got a couple options here. I could divide this top one by 2, get y by itself, not too terrible. Or I could rearrange this bottom one a little bit. Your choice, don't care. I'd rather not divide because, well, sometimes you screw up dividing, so let's just not. I'm going to add 5. I'm going to add y to both sides and subtract 5. So it's going to be 3x plus 5. Oh, no. Let's take a second. Let's write down what we're doing so we don't screw up. -5 minus 5 plus y plus y. 3x minus 5. Can't do anything with that. Equals, because -y plus y is nothing. 5 minus 5 is nothing plus y is y. So now it's solve for y. Y equals this thing. There we go. Up in here, that's what y is. So I'm going to take this and shove it in there. 2 times this thing right here equals 6x plus 10. Solve it however you want to solve it. Again, if you don't have this calculator and you don't remember how to solve it, go back to the beginning of the year. Rewatch the videos. Teach yourself. If you forget stuff, go back and learn it. Math builds on itself. You don't have time to be forgetting stuff. And there we go. Type that in there. Shift calc equals. I could have broken it. Give it a second to think. Can't solve. Go to. Did I type something in wrong? I don't know. Yeah. Can't solve. Let's see what happens when we do this thing. So if I were doing this by hand, because the calculator messed up on me, I don't know, calculator, maybe I'm typing in something wrong. Hey, the calculator's just freaking out, having a bad day. Who knows? Let's go ahead and do it by hand. Distributive property. 6x minus 10 equals 6x plus 10. That ain't right, though. Let's make sure we did everything right. We subtracted 5. We added y, subtracted 5. Okay, so yes, that's nothing wrong there. Oh, well, get my x's on the left side. Constants on the other side. All right, let's see what I'm left with. Let's see, 6x minus 6x. Oh, that's nothing. Minus 10 plus, that's also nothing. What number's nothing? 0 is nothing. Nothing plus 20 is 20. Boom. 0 equals 20. That's what we got. What's that mean? That's what that means. No solution. That's a false statement, means no solution. If we would have gotten a true statement, there would have been infinitely many solutions. But 0 is not equal to 20, so that's not true. All right, that's it for substitution. Let's take a look at elimination next in the next video. Oh, wrong button. My bad.